What it do, you guys? Welcome back to another video. And today's video, we got a little different setup, you feel me? I've done this setup before once or twice, but we're gonna make this little video a little different. Today, we got the Bilstein Coils review, alright? I just got fresh coilovers, alright? I wasn't sure which coilovers to get. I was stuck between K&W and Bilstein. So I had to talk with Nigel, and he said Bilstein is the way to go. He said if you want your car to drive like a supercar, you need Bilstein. So I listened to him, I took his advice, and we went with Bilstein. When I say that these coils are 10 out of 10 top tier, 10 out of 10 top tier, I don't know what other suspension system could be any better than the suspension system that I have right now, if I'm being completely honest with you. This is straight supercar material. When I mean Stormy is on the floor planted, I mean she is on the floor planted. It's genuinely unbelievable the rate that I can take cords and stuff. When I mean this car is track ready, this car is track ready. But that being said, I'm gonna show you guys as much capabilities as I can of these Bilsteins in a safe environment as much as I can for you guys. Right now I'm about to go grab some E, and I'm gonna throw the POV on my head for you guys so you guys can see some POV action vibes and see what's good with that. But yeah, show you guys what Bilstein's made out of, baby. Let's get it. So, slight change of plans today. I completely forgot that I had a photo shoot set up with one of my buddies, FK Shots. So I'm about to go get a little photo shoot with FK Shots. Well, first I'm gonna go get E, get a photo shoot with FK Shots, and then after that, I'll show you guys what Bilstein's all about. All right, get a little POV action for y'all boys now. Where'd you come from? Where are you going? You guys have probably seen me take this route several times because I've definitely gone to go get E in these videos a couple times, but it's a little traffic out today. We're not gonna act a fool. This guy knows what he's doing too. People do it on purpose. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, quick little update. Your boy just bought the clutch. So y'all gotta get excited, man. I just got the clutch. This car is about to be fully stage 2. I'm literally about to have a fully stage 2 Supra on my hands. You know what I'm saying? From the clutch to the coils to the fucking tune. You know what I'm saying? So she's literally about to be absolutely fully stage 2 from the fucking clutch to the coils. So I'm excited. That shit is ordered. It is on the way. You guys better like, comment, and subscribe right now because the channel's about to turn up. You guys about to get a lot of cool content with this clutch because I couldn't really drive the car that much before. Like, yeah, I can drive it, obviously. Like, you saw me, like, taking off. But, like, if I really wanted to flat foot this shit and take this shit, like, on, like, I can't. Like, the clutch is going to slip, like, and that's just the truth. So, man, all this traffic is crazy today. Like, what are you doing, bro? Like, you don't piss me off. Like, you're still driving slow. Like, make decisions, bro. People suck at driving. Like, make a decision, please. Oh my goodness. Like, I don't get it. The gas station's the other way, but I wanted to check out this twisty road and show y'all a little bit what Bilstein can do, baby. So we're about to enter this turn. Mind you, there is oncoming traffic. fan at how well not only this car grips the fucking road, but how planted this car is. That last turn that I just did, slightly sketchy. I shouldn't have done it that fast, but if I did now, I know I should have downshifted before it and like kind of prepare myself a little bit before. But she's planted, baby. She is planted on the floor. I'm gonna try and go back one more time, but she's on the floor. Unbelievable. I'm probably not gonna hit it one more time. My gas light just came on, so I'm probably just gonna go grab gas. But we're gonna show you some more Bilstein in a minute. But like, Bilstein's nuts, man. That's all I have to say. Hey, I told y'all we was looking at the FK shots. That's my boy in front of me. About to get a quick little photo shoot going on. You know what I'm trying to say? And then after that, I'll show you some more Bilstein. But yeah, some slight. You feel me? Some slight. Now we're outside. I got my buddy Aaron, like I said, taking shots of Stormy and her beauty today. So we do have the coil set up. Like I said, Bilstein is 10 out of 10. Not only is it perfect driving experience, I'm going this side. Not only is it perfect driving experience, but it's damn near a perfect fitment, boy. I got two 85/35s, and I can't even fit a finger, maybe a finger and a half, or just one finger. And then on this side, I still got stock tires on this, but the fitment's great. I got two 55/35. Where is it? Yeah, two 55/35s, and I can't even fit a finger. You know what I'm trying to say? So Bilstein. Oh, and I'm slammed out on my coils too, as in like their max stiffness. Okay, actually, they're slammed as in height. The height's absolutely slammed. Like I can't go lower on the coils at all. I can't go lower in the coils at all, but I can also adjust the stiffness. So you can also adjust not only the height of the coils, but you can adjust the stiffness. So in the front, I put 10, and in the rear, I put 8 because I wanted my front stiffness just to be tighter, honestly. I originally had 10 across, like 10 in the front, 10 in the back stiffness. But when I was driving, the back was just too flippin' bouncy. Like, it was stiff. Like, it was doing its job, of course. But, like, it was just so bouncy that I was like, I can't even drive. So I put it to 8, put the front to 10, because the front don't really matter. I just want the driving to be stiff in the front. So another thing I eventually want to do is get some sway bars, because that would be fun. That'll make it fucking stable. That'll make this car absolutely stable. This car would be a bullet if I had some sway bars on it, if I'm being real. So Stormy just in her fucking beauty. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Bada bing, bada boom. But we're gonna go back driving in a second. So we just finished the photo shoot with Aaron. Shout out Aaron, man. Shout out, you're the GOAT. I appreciate you with some baller spots and some baller pics. Oh shit, a Cybertruck. Okay, fucking refrigerator head ass neat. Okay. Anyways, so now I'm going to take my ass all the way over to Nigel's shop to see what he's got going on. And yeah, so y'all just gonna play the POV drive and see what's up with that part. But more about the Bilstein, baby, more about the Bilstein. When I mean this car is damn near track ready, this car is damn near track ready. You guys saw that last clip of me spinning around doing whatever the fucking those curves that South Florida has, you know what I'm trying to say? But this car is fucking track ready if you ask me. The only thing I need is a clutch. If I get clutch, this thing is ready. Look at this Cybertruck. Honestly, this is probably like one of the few times I've ever seen one. How cool is that? Refrigerator. That's just nasty looking. Like not even in a good way. Like that's just. If I had money like that, they're not even that expensive. I've been seeing them like I've heard people talking about they've seen them around, but I haven't seen them around. You feel me? But like, even if I had money like that, why would I? Why would I? Why would I? Somebody call a bit. My dog turned out to be a rat. Alright, let's see what we can get into. Let's get it, baby. Show me what you got, Bilstein. Show me what you got, baby. Yeah, Buster. Yeah, Buster. Low-key Aaron was behind me, but sorry, pal. You see this now. Ah, see, they played me like the fiddle. Keep this in mind for you guys. I need a clutch, all right? I straight up am in need of a clutch. If you thought I'm acting up right now, like a straight menace or whatever you want to call me on these streets, wait till I get this clutch. It's gonna be unbelievable. Crispy downshift, baby. Talk to me nice. Another one. Sounds like for the people behind me, honestly. I wonder why people brake so hard. I know I'm driving like a little unorthodox, but me too, pal. I gotta get over it. Ah, goodness gracious. Nervous just then, but that was a little bit sketchy. But guess what, nigga, I can drive. That's Bilstein in action. That's Bilstein in action. What it do, what it do, what it do? Oh, man's got the turbo in. Not what really. Oh, damn near. Okay, you're just prepping. Oh my. Actually, from this angle is nuts, dude. I hope you know that. Crazy, right? This is actually nuts. I'm actually so hyped for this to be finished. Please go subscribe to Nigel. He's been working too hard for this, man. Go check this nigga out, please. Instagram, YouTube, whatever the fuck he has, go get at it. Cause this is nuts. A fucking K-swap BRZ of shit, man. Of course, it's manual too. Shit's busy in here, man. But you get the idea. Style designs, huh? That would have been terrible if it was automatic. Dude, could you imagine a K-swap automatic? I would have been like, fuck you, dude. You go walk to the gearbox, you're like, oh well.
We're gonna leave this gas station. You can just follow me so we get to the highway.
Hell yeah, my boy. Alright, we outside tonight, my man. We got my boy right here, Junior Productions. He's outside tonight. He's got a Supra too. Getting some rollers and some nice vids for us. But we outside. Now I run a little side quest today. I got my boy Junior Productions out here. Man drives a Supra with the camera set up. He's him. Nah, he hit me up. I followed him on Instagram for a little bit. He's seen the channel, so we had to get some photo shoots done for us. So he's hooking me up today. Man's a real one, but we're outside.
You know, young rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your ass, shit, cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they cooking up dope with the roots. My niggas are savage. We got better than 100 rounds. Cooking up dope with the roots. My niggas are savage. We got better than 100 rounds. Money making my back pay. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That cookie blunt in the ass. ashtray. Two bitches, this national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a